Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Monday, April the 11th, 2011. Well, a continuation of the trend to the downside today, and we have a candle that's made a lower high and a lower low. Previous day's trading was an outside day, and the day before that we had the change of trend to the downside. So a continuation of the downside trend. This has occurred on a spinning top type candle, so a candle of indecision, and a candle that tested the resistance at 1332, and we saw the buyers lose commitment as the market traded up around that level. We also tested support down below 1324, and we saw the sellers lose commitment down around that level for the market to close just below there. We also saw the Tenkan-sen fail to hold a support, and the market has closed down below the Tenkan-sen. So that's quite interesting that the market's failed to hold at that level. Now, if we look at the color of the candle, that's red, so it means that the sellers made net bearish progress on the day between the open and the close. And the market's closed between the midpoint level and the low of the range, which means that the sellers have closed the market in control, although it's only fairly weak control. Now, if the market does continue to come off, then there is solid support through the 1313 area and the top of the cloud, extending all the way down to roughly 1294. And that area of previous support and resistance coincides with the top of the cloud, 1313. And we also have the Kijun-sen trading at the bottom of the cloud as well. So a very well-defined area of support here. To the upside, if the market does change trend, obviously 1332 is a very important level, and the resistance up around the 1340 up to 1344 level is very important. Now, in Ichimoku charts terms, we are trading above the cloud, so the market has an overall positive bias. We're only just trading up above the cloud, so not terribly bullish in that longer-term time frame. Trading above the Kijun-sen, which means that we're bullish in the medium-term time frame, but just trading below the Tenkan-sen, which means we've turned bearish in that fast-term time frame. And if we look back, it's been some time since we've been trading below the Tenkan-sen, so that could be important to this market. Now, looking at the Chikou span, that is trading at the price action from 26 periods ago. So that's giving us a neutral signal with that longer-term time frame, and it's failing to confirm the bullishness that we're seeing in the longer-term time frame by trading up above the cloud. And bear in mind that we are trending back towards the cloud. Now, if we look at the Kijun-sen, that's turned flat, and we know that when it turns flat, price action tends to be attracted back towards there, and we highlighted that in our previous discussion, and that's what we're seeing today, the price action trending back towards these levels. Whether the market continues trending down remains to be seen. We have this indecisive type candle, but there is a certain amount of bearishness remaining in this market. But the spinning top type candle is a candle of indecision. So we do need to watch the highs around 1332 roughly for a potential higher high and higher low, but there is strong resistance overhead, but certainly very strong support down below.